Hi, today I'm going to be doing the unboxing for the October 2018 Bomibag. This is the mailer it came in. Just came today, November 5th. Let's see what's inside. I love this cute little butt. The front, no ears, very cute. Let's just dump her out. I keep these because I keep everything, as you may have surmised from my prior videos. Alright, start with the top. Personal Care Aurora Pearl Eye Mask. This looks really cute. Pink. Looks great. JM Solution Glow Luminous Aurora Mask. Nice. Leaders X Solution Aqua Coating Mild Cotton Mask. So we got 3 masks so far. Innisfree Jeju Orchid Special Kit. So that's kind of cool. Ooh, and then there's this, so you can see it. This is all in Korean. So I will have to look on the website. So if you've been sticking with me, and I sure hope you have, but if you haven't, please stick around. I've said before that Bomibag is the only bag, or the only Korean subscription box, actually the only subscription box I get across the board, and that's a lot, that doesn't give you an insert. They send you an email, and frankly, I hate it. But I like Bomibag because all of this was 20 bucks straight to my door. No hassle, no fuss. And I really do end up liking and using all of the products. The only, before I get into my blurb about them, the last two is Aloe Propolis Soothing Gel and Aloe Propolis Soothing Gel. So 2 of these. Back to what I was saying. The only negative I have about Bomibag is that they do not have an insert. They send you one electronically, which to me, not my favorite. But, you know, the rest of it speaks for itself. You get a nice variety of items. I got 3 masks, 2 face masks, 1 eye mask, some gel, and a kit. And let's see what I can surmise about the kit just by looking at it. I know Jeju is an island off of South Korea. It's Innisfree makes their products from like the clay there because it's a special volcanic clay. So here's an essence, and I hardly ever get essences, so that's pretty nice. Lotion. Let's pop her open and see what's up. I'm guessing that this is a cream. So we got a cream, an essence, a lotion, and a skin. And skin is another word for toner in Korean beauty. So it's pretty nice. I like it all. $19.99, free US shipping, comes straight to your door. Bomibag, October 2018. I love it. I'll keep getting it. The only question for me is like, do I go to Bomibag, which is more expensive but more full-size products, or do I stick with Bomibag? And of course, I always end up hemming and hawing and getting the Bomibag again because I don't go onto the website and make a decision. So here we are. I'll probably see you next month for another Bomibag subscription. But, you know, if you have any comments or if you have any ideas for things that you would like to see, please comment. If you like what I'm doing, please like and subscribe. I really want to share this information with you guys, and I appreciate your views. I'll see you next month. Bye!